Glow with Your Hands. This is the second annual live event that we've run. It's a collaboration between workforce development, our education system, local colleges and universities. We also have trades programs, agriculture, all the employers, the local employers. We're huge in this region for agriculture, building trades, advanced manufacturing, food processing. So it's about bringing the two entities together so that these kids kind of realize how many opportunities are out there for them just in their own backyard. One of those out of the ordinary school days that it makes for a very memorable experience, and it's just opening their eyes. Like, I think outside of whatever our family members do for a living, whatever jobs that they've seen in the classroom or just in day-to-day life, that's their exposure to careers when that's just the tip of the iceberg. So there's lots of different things that they can do, and all of these employers who are here, they're so desperate for workforce. I think that we're going to see a huge issue with a lot of the more experienced workers retiring in the next 5-10 years, and they need to find and replenish their workforce very soon and get them trained and get them bought into the career that they're going to pursue. It's nice to return back here and work with the community I grew up in, and I think we're noticing lately, obviously, we're seeing more and more people moving away, different industries closing down just because of various reasons, but a huge part of that is because they can't find the workforce to fill the jobs, so they go to a more populated area. And I think the opportunities missed by that is just that we have such a great community. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I need for the BEA volunteers, and we have a bunch of people, no questions asked, okay, what do you need? What do you need help with? So we're a very caring, community-oriented region, and we need to just ensure that we're giving back to those people who give back to us. So how can we help these businesses get their next generation of workers, and what can we do now to teach those kids about soft skills, about expectations that are in the workforce, just educate them about the different jobs that are coming down the pipeline. And there's so many jobs out there that we don't even know what they are tomorrow. So we have to kind of predict in the future what are the jobs that are coming in Genesee County and get those kids sold on hopping into those positions. Take leadership, stay here, grow this community and make it better than it was before.